the time na nag-start akong mag-explore ng cryptocurrency and based on my own research, na-realize ko na dito sa Gate.io, marami pa pala tayong matatagpuan ng mga micro-cap cryptocurrency tokens na pwede natin pag-aralan, and kung naniniwala tayo dun sa project na magiging successful siya in the long run, most likely masasama din yung cryptocurrency na yon sa listing ng Binance Market. And kapag ka dumating yung ganong opportunity, asahan mo na mag-skyrocket or tataas yung value ng coin na pinag-aralan mo kung talagang maganda yung foundation ng project and maganda rin yung drive ng community para dun sa token na yun and marami yung sumusuporta. Okay, so i-share ko sa inyo yung video na ginawa ko na ni-record ko last November 4 kung saan nandito yung exact step-by-step procedure or yung complete tutorial kung paano sign up or mag-register dito sa Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange. So ipi-play ko na yung video. Hi guys, welcome back to your crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel. Today's video is about a step-by-step procedure on how to sign up or register to a cryptocurrency exchange. The name of the cryptocurrency exchange is Gate.io. Ilalagay ko rin sa description ng video na ito ang Gate.io affiliate link to ensure na doon kayo sa tamang website makakapag-sign up for free or makakapag-register for free dito sa Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange. So ang una nyo munang gagawin, kailangan nyo lang ilagay yung inyong nominated email address, then click on sign up, and then sa next page, kailangan nyo lamang sagutan yung username. The email address will be automatically populated since na-enter mo na siya from the previous page. Then it will ask you to enter a personalized password. Recommended is a combination of alphanumeric combination with more than 6-character password para yung strength niya mataas. Tapos yung password, syempre case sensitive yan. And yung isa pang consideration, kailangan yung password na ilalagay mo hindi synonymous or alike doon sa nominated email address or username mo for Gate.io. So you can click on the next button. Ayan. Ito pa yung isang importante na nakita ko for Gate.io. Yung kaninang sinagutan natin, password mo yon for your login only. Pero aside from the login password, hihingian ka rin niyang gumawa ng fund password. Hiwalay itong fund password kasi itong fund password, ito yung ginagamit mo for withdrawal purposes whenever making transactions on the Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange. Then once everything is good, you can click on create account. So once ma-enter mo na yung fund password for your Gate.io account, just click on create account. It will ask you to complete a puzzle so that you can proceed on the next page. So verification successful. And then meron siyang prompt na your account has been created successfully. Registration email sent. And then check your email to complete the registration process. So ang gagawin mo lang dito, kung ano yung nominated email address na nilagay mo dun sa first page kung saan ka nag-sign up for Gate.io, open that nominated email address and click on the link from the Gate.io website, and then it will complete your registration for Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange with this nominated email address. Okay guys, so once click mo na yung link from the email na na-receive nyo from Gate.io, ipaprompt niya kayo na email is activated, and then it will ask you to log in again with your nominated email address and your login password. Once you click on login again, just input or type your username and password. The password is your login password. Then click on login, verifying. And then kailangan nyo lang ulit i-drag yung slider. Verification successful. Okay. So after that, magpa-prompt yung website ng gate.io for you to check if yung URL or yung link na gamit mo on your computer browser is synonymous dito sa mga link na valid or legitimate gate.io cryptocurrency exchange website. And then ang sabi dito, kung yung URL na nakikita mo sa browser ng inyong computer ay wala alinman dito sa tatlong nasa list, ang recommendation niya ay kailangan mong i-close yung current page, change your password to ensure na yung account ninyo is safe and secured. So after that, you'll just need to click on the word confirm. Okay, so once na mag-login kayo guys gamit yung link na na-receive nyo through email from gate.io, it will also request for you to type or enter another 6-digit code sent by email so that you can finally log into your Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange account. So kung makikita nyo ngayon guys, after I completed the basic sign up process to create an account for Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange, ito na yung yung kumbaga ito na yung landing page every time na magla-login kayo sa inyong account. And from on the top right, makikita nyo na yung almost alike lang naman ng interface ang Gate.io with the interface and functions ng Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. Yung main reason why I'm deciding to also create an account for Gate.io is because I'm also doing my own research and gusto ko rin mag-invest sa mga ibang micro cap cryptocurrencies. So what I can recommend to you guys after creating an account for Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange, please ensure to also complete the security verification. I recommend that you also do a 2-factor authentication for your Gate.io account for security and privacy reasons. And right after that, as much as possible, kumpletuhin na natin ipasa yung ating mga customer information details including valid IDs.